Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to explore more types of string functions. So what are the string functions which we are going to cover in this video? Well, these are the four types of string function. In string, and then in string reverse, then mid, and one more function which we are going to discuss in this video, and the last one is length. So without wasting any time, let's dive into it and see what we can learn in this video. First of all, let's discuss what is Vba in string. Well, the in string function returns the first occurrence of one string within another string. The search happens from left to the right. So see, what is the syntax of this in string function? Well, the syntax of the in string function is this. Well, in simple words, it means that we are searching particular string into the another strings. So here we will be starting our search. So suppose we wanted to start our search from the second position or first positions, which we write here at the start positions, and strings which we are going to search will be writing in the place of string 1, and whatever strings we wanted to search into the string 1 will be writing it at the place of string 2, and then we'll be comparing these two strings. So how you can compare? Well, there are the two methods of comparison you already know. First method is text to text comparison. Suppose I have written PAWAN. Well, it can be in the capital letter or it can be in the small letter or it can be the mix of both. So if you are comparing this as a text, then the value of this both letters will be same. If you are comparing it as a binary, then the value of capital letter and the value of small letter will be different. Hence, your comparison result will be different for this comparison. So here we'll be mentioning what type of comparison we want. Suppose we wanted to match exact sentence, then we'll be comparing it as a binary so that it will compare capital letter to capital letter, small letter to small letter. And if you wanted to just do the comparison irrespective of the capital letter or small letter, you can directly go ahead and write your value and you can search in the form of text. Well, it is optional parameter. Compare you don't have to define. If you don't define it, what is the value it is going to take? Well, by default it is going to compare the binary result. If you wanted to compare it as a text, then you have to write as a 1. You can also write 0, but it will be same as you have defined. Like it will be same if you write it or not write it. So here we'll be taking our function and we'll be searching that string into the another string. So here let me give you one example. Suppose I am writing here, my name is Pawan Patidar. And I wanted to search the string Pawan Patidar into this whole string, my name is Pawan Patidar. Then I can directly use this function and search will happen from left to right. It will go from left to right and it will search the Pawan Patidar and it will give me the result. If I wanted to compare it as a binary, means capital letter should be compared to capital letter, then I'll be defining the value as a 0. Or I cannot define anything, then it will be taking the by default value. And if I wanted to compare it as a text only, I don't want to compare whether it is a capital letter or small letter, I'll simply write 1 in the optional parameter in our syntax. Here we will be writing our program and we'll be searching the string under that one more string. So what are the variable we have defined? Well, we have defined var as a variable and its type is variant. So variant, we are assigning some value which is Microsoft VB script, and here we will be searching in line 1 is under that Microsoft VB script, and we will start our search from the first line. Well, what will be the output of in string search? Well, it will be giving us the position of the searched letter. So here we will be starting our search from the first position. And if you wanted to skip some position, well, you can write the number from where you wanted your search to start so that it will skip the search before that number. Here we'll be taking this example also, but first let's go one by one. In line 1 we'll be searching S position and it will be searching from left to right, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it will be coming at the 6th position, so the output of the first line should be 6. And what about the second line? Well, it will start its search from the 7th position, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So it will skip this S. Anyway, it will be counting from the first position, but it will skip the search of this particular S, because the search will start from the 7th position. So now let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it is searching the binary value, so it will not take capital S and it will not consider capital and small s same, because we are searching the binary value, and in binary capital S and small s has a different value. But if we search as a text, then it will be same value. So here we are searching as a binary, so it will not take capital S and it will be returning as the 0, because we'll be skipping the value of this particular S. Now let's see what we'll be searching in our line 3. Well, we'll be searching the F in our variable, which is the variant type. Well, we are searching the F and we are searching it as a text type, so it will also consider capital value for the search result. Let's see. It will start search from the first position. It will return the position of the F under the searched strings. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the result should be 8. Well, it is already 8. Now let's see. The line 4, we will be starting our search from the first position and we will be searching for the value t, and it is a binary comparison, so it will search for the small t only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So the result would be 9. Let's see what about this line 5. Well, it will be searching this string for the letter I and it will start its search from the first. So it is second position. So the result of the line 5th should be 2. What about the result of the line 6? Well, it will skip the value up to 7th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So from here onwards, it will start its search. Well, it will be counting from the first, but from the first 7 letters, it will not search. So let's see. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, here we are getting the I, but it will not search since we have started our search from the 7, but it will count from the first position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So the result of the line 6 will be 16. Now let's see. The line 7, we are searching VB under this variable. So it will return the position of the VB. We have not defined where we will be starting our search. So it will generally start from the first positions. And we are also not comparing it for the binary value or text value. So it will by default take the binary values. It will be searching for the capital VB under the searched string, well, which is our variable VB string. So here, at which position this VB is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11th. So the result of this line would be 11th. Now we'll be using this example under our Excel file and we'll be seeing what will be the result of this search engine. So let's write our program under Excel VBA. So how do we write our program? First, let us go to developer, then go to Visual Basic, click on that. It will open this tab. Here I have already written the codes. Well, I'll show you how you can write this code from the beginning. I'll close this window. We'll go to insert, then user form, then we'll drag and drop this command button. We'll double click on it to write the code. Once you double click on it, it will open this window. Here you have to write your code. I'm just copying and pasting my code. I'll just zoom it out so that we can see it in our full view. Here, dim VR we have taken as a variable and the variable type is variant. We have defined our variant as a variant type and we are assigning the Microsoft VB script as its value. In line 1, we are searching the string S and we are not skipping anything, we are searching it from the position first. You have to keep in mind that whenever you are searching the variable, it will return the position from the first place. But if you wanted to skip the certain letters from the searching results, you can skip it through mentioning their position. So it will start from the left and from the positions which you will be writing it there, it will be skipping up to that value and thereafter it will be searching for the strings. But it will be returning the position from the first position only. Let's see here. In our first line, we'll be searching our position of the S from the left side and the position will not be skipping anything. We'll be searching the whole this variant variable. In second also, we'll be searching the S, but we'll be skipping up to the 7th letter. So this is the 3, these are the 6 and this is the 7th. So after this 7th, we'll be searching. So before the 7, whatever we have write, it will not search the S into that particular string value, and it will be searching it as a binary. So it will be comparing the capital letter to capital letter, small letter to small letter. In line third, we will be searching F and we will be comparing it as a text value. So capital letter and small letter would be same, and we'll be starting our search from the first positions. If we don't write the first position also, it is okay, because by default it will take the first positions. If you wanted to skip the first certain letters, then you have to write the positions from where you wanted to start your search. Okay, in third, we'll be searching for the T, and it will be searched as a binary from this string. And in line 5, we'll be searching I under the variable var, and we'll be starting our search from the first. We'll be searching the I, and we'll be searching it from the position 7th. It will return the position of the I from the first position, but it will not search the I up to the 7th position. Understood? Means it will not search this I. It will not search this I 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It will not search the I into this particular letters. It will search onwards strings, and the output it will be giving it from the first letter. So see where this I belongs. 1, it will not consider this I. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So it will return the value 16. It will skip the first search of the I because you wanted to search it from the 7th value. And in the last, we'll be searching the capital VB under this string. So let's see what will be the output of this. Well, how do we run the program? Simply press the F5 button. Now you press this button and it will be showing you under the message box your value of the search result. So first it will be searching this result and it will be giving us this value 6. Now in the second, it will be giving us the value of 2, line 2 as a 0, line 3 as a 8, line 4 as a 9, line 5 as a 2, and line 6 was important. It was 6. It was tricky and you have to learn this. It was at the 16th position, but we have skipped the search from the first 7 letters. So it will skip the first 7 letters because I was also present in that first 7 letters. So we have skipped that, and thereafter we are starting our search result. But it will be giving the position from the first letter or first position. So 16 is the result and line 7 is 11. Thank you guys for watching this video.